If you decide that recording macros is a tool you will use frequently in the future, then this lesson is an important one for you, as we will discuss how to record and save macros that can be used in multiple workbooks, not just in one file, but in multiple files. The main difference, when compared to what we did previously, is that when I select the Record button, I will opt to store the macro in my personal macro workbook. By doing this, it will be available the next time when a new file is opened. Let's give it a try. I'll redo the same type of initial formatting we did previously. Excel is recording all of these options. It would continue to do so until we press the Stop Recording button. Okay, I'll press Stop, and we'll run the macro on a new sheet. Fine, it works. Let's close this file and open up a new one. I want to test whether the macro we just saved has been recorded properly and whether it can be used in multiple workbooks. All I have to do is click on Macros within the Developer tab. Here's the macro we recorded in the other file.